case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 1960 South Dakota Supreme Court case of Wells v. Wedehase spun around the interpretation of a will and the application of the anti-lapse statute, a law that dictates what happens if a beneficiary in a will dies before the person who bequeathed the wealth. Holding the reins were 5 heirs who filed appeals against the decisions made by both the county and circuit court regarding the federal estate tax and distribution of certain stocks. The dispute originated in the will's provisions, specifically the 8th and 20th paragraphs. These paragraphs sparked heated debates about whether stocks acquired after the execution of the will should be accounted for, and if the federal estate tax should be absorbed by all assets or only the residual estate. Having divergent views, the county court found more of these stocks should be distributed under the 8th provision, while the circuit court adjudicated that all stocks fell under this clause. Similarly, the lower courts agreed that the federal estate tax should be shouldered exclusively by the residual estate. The main bone of contention lay in the applicability of the anti-lapse statute to the 20th paragraph of the will. Despite the lower court's previous ruling, the Supreme Court decided the statute did apply, granting the appellants rightful ownership of their contested inheritance. Pivoting to the storm over the will's provision, the court definitively ruled it encompassed all stocks owned at the testatrix's death. This ruling simultaneously barred the legatee from receiving certain stocks. However, the court stopped short of setting a precedent for the payment method of the federal estate tax, deferring that judgment to the legislature instead.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.